The problem's sorted. The underlying problem's sorted.
Are we off now, are we?
Yeah, well, yeah, they've been moving for a while, haven't they?
No, but it's underlying it sorted as well. They're saying everything's okay.
Yeah.
As opposed to just getting the signals sorted.
Yeah, tea, please.
Whatever the difference is, yeah.
I'll start again. They're saying it's normal service.
No, well, yeah. The railway definition of normal, yeah.
In other words, Victoria trains starting at Cannon Street.
Yeah,
tea, please.
Oh, he's got the tea.
Is that too strong?
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else for tea?
Yeah.
Coffee?
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
please, yeah.
With milk?
Yes, please, yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. Any tea here?
Thank you.
Well, we're off now.
Yeah, it's like when you go on the underground, it says good service.
Yeah, finally we're off.
It's shambles, you know.
Must have learned.
Bit delayed. It was only about, how delayed we are now then?
17 and a half.
Seven-
Late.
70 minutes late, are we? That's not too bad. We'll make a
I
bit.
meant to laugh as I told you, but I didn't manage to get the laugh out.
Our journey begins, taking me to Kent. I hope we'll do the amendment today on board, or
I think with the length of that delay, it'll take a bit longer to actually get everything straight again, in reality.
Oh, it's completely knackered them, doesn't it? I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
Things like Ramsgate's take about 3 hours to get those back, right? Especially if they've gone to Cannon Street. That'd be,
Yeah, you should have trains leaving for the wrong terminus, yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
They'll still be leaving it at Cannon Street at like 11:30, won't they?
off we go. That's not too bad, a bit late, wasn't it? I thought it was going to be more worse than that. Anyway, mate, here's the host. Cheers. It's not too bad for a bit of lateness, isn't it? We should make up that time on the route.
It's out badly with it.
Yeah.
The service trains are still disrupted.
I've already done the Kentish Bell normal one this year.
I didn't do that this year, I did it last year.
That was the August one I did.
Yeah, but that was mostly just pushed by the diesel, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Only starting to see the Jubilee working hard from here, even if
Yeah.
I can't hear it.
Yeah, I can see the 47 dragging us.
I can hear it now.
Yeah. Actually, we're just looking a bit more, so. Yeah, passing number 375 or 377 electric south.
Oh, very much indeed. Thank you.
This is why I like sitting here by the window, so I can see the view. Well, at least we're on the move now, aren't we?
We've got one in.
Yeah.
Yep. You know what? Who are you? What is it? It's all right, Mrs. Paul. We'll come back when your buffalo's under control. It's from the last of summer wine. Is that it, Paul? Let me have a look how we've gone now. Yep, only 70 minutes down. Looks like the 2-minute silence might have to be on St Mary Cray. But we'll see how things do, okay? That's where Caroline's base. Oh yeah, that's at Class 67. I think that's the one's going to be in charge for the trip to Kent tomorrow.
Oh, it's going down on the Bellman now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not tomorrow now.
No, the Belgium's running today, isn't it?
Oh
Yeah,
no, I was talking about the Golden Hour actually.
Pardon?
The Golden Hour tour.
yeah, that's steam
Yeah,
tomorrow.
that's the engine going down for it.
Yeah, Golden Arrow tomorrow is steam.
Well, apparently it might not be steam at all in Kent.
Well, the Loco's supposed to be coming down today from Carnival.
But it looks like it's not coming now.
Is it Tangley?
No.
Someone suggested it might be a Black 5 instead, but nobody seems to know at the moment what's happening.
Yeah.
I saw the path. The light engine path's in there now, isn't it?
Yeah,
It didn't say which engine, but I didn't pick up on it.
yeah, I'm saying they advertised tank there, but now someone's saying, but else I heard someone.
5212 or something like that.
Yeah, we're suggesting a Black 5, yeah.
Well, I don't think it might be because Blackfire's a very weird to carry Pullmans, isn't it?
Well, it's not what you'd expect, but we'll see.
What Black 5s are air brake, do you know?
Well, no, 44871 is, 45407, and the 45212 is.
Oh, so there's a choice of 3 then.
Yeah, because they've got Locos.
Oh yeah, and also they've got Sharon
Yeah,
Forster.
I mean, Locos are back from the Jacobite now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Also got Sharon Forster as well, actually.
Actually, 44871 have been quite great. Is that a first Black 5 on the Golden Arrow?
I think it will be. Yeah, yeah.
But it might be diesel hold instead, it might be.
Mega score.
What is it? Come back when your papa is under control. Isn't water good touch, yeah? Yeah, man. That's yeah, through Brixton.
Good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Darren Guard. Welcome on board to everybody on board this morning. Do apologise for the late departure of your service. 10:15. Service from London Victoria to Margate. Margate back to London Victoria due to signal problems outside of the station this morning. And we make up some of our delays on our way round this journey today. Please note and observe we have a 2-minute silence at 11 AM Armistice Day. This Armistice Day special train. Also, I've turned the heating off on the train for those of you that are rather warm and cosy in some of the coaches at the moment. So please bear with us for a few minutes and hopefully it'll cool down for you shortly. Left some of the windows open in the gateways to get the temperature down. Thank you.
I can hear the engine chuffing there. I can hear the chuff, chuff, chuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Just like when you're on the West Highland line between Fort William and Malling route. Remember that line?
Yeah.
That's my favourite route. It's just a good part of the fun when you're travelling on a brave show, isn't it? Well, lucky tomorrow, lucky Sunday, Monday. Herne Hill. Just trying to film most of the stretches I can hear, because I wouldn't really film it for 15 minutes on, so I can, my videos on YouTube can upload to stuff for 15 minutes, so it can be more fun. Because I do a YouTube channel called Joseph Ralph and right, and I can film the most long stretches just so I can hear the stuff is chuff. You look as far as that tunnel just before, after Sydenham Hill, I can press cut. Well, it's only adventure, isn't it?
You sent me something about the break.
Yeah.
That was the road.
That was a really good guidebook I got. I got loads of guidebooks.
I think you got woken up at 1:16 in the morning.
I've already done 2 Kentish spells this year, you know.
That's really funny.
This year was the one of the Bahamas on its own, and now this one, you know.
Won't be a second, I'll just move. I mean,
Oh, sorry. Didn't realise it was noisy. Shocking, isn't it? Well, Liz is trying to make up time, isn't it?
Hasn't made any yet, but
He'll do its best, won't it? Woods, we've got Woodstable and Whitstable, so
Favisham's water stop.
no, it's Whitstable.
But it's just Favisham on here.
No, that's a path stop.
No, it says water stop in the timing.
No, isn't it? Let me have a look at my timetable. Sorry, mate.